Hey, this is Chasney. Oh my God. This is Chasney.
Ashley.
And we are doing
Makeup tips.
makeup tips.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me show you how we do the
Oh no, I'm doing it to you, honey. Okay. Now, to do mascara.
You put just a little
On your eye. Stop it.
no, not that one.
Just wait, just watch. Put it on your, put it on your tip. There you go. Now you put it on your eyebrow. Yeah.
Okay, and then
Yeah. Then you make a separate eyebrow.
because then you know.
There you sexy.
And if you want it to look even better, you just go up.
There you go. Okay.
Just like
now,
Sinead.
to do the eyeliner, you go like this. Now, to do the eyeliner, you go like this. Right under her eye. Oh, no. Hold on. Let me fix that. It looks like a knot. Oh, no. Never mind.
If you want to fix it up.
Dude, I can't make it look pretty no matter what I try to do. No, I'm just kidding.
You know what?
There you go.
Okay, listen. This is not only for eyes. Okay?
There, oh, that's sexy. That's sexy. Oh, you have to do the other eye. Oh, God.
I'm going to go to the bowl with this.
It is. There you go. Wait. Now.
Do a triangle on the back.
That is so sexy. That is
And
so
if
sexy.
you want to look even better, you can put your smiley face like that.
There you go. There you go.
And
Yeah.
now this crap.
Now the eyeshadow part.
I'm doing you next.
No. Hold on.
I want to do your eyes.
Okay, now the eyebrow. Now the eyelash. Or the whatever.
Not only for your eyes.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it really, I'm going to make her eyes pop. By doing pink.